Hi everyone, today I'm showing you how to replace a MSI GE40 2OC-217US laptop monitor screen to the glossy one. To start off, the tools that you probably need is a plastic prier like one of these that you can find on eBay. People use this to repair smartphones. A 00 Phillips screwdriver head and a pair of tweezers. So to start off, you want to power off your laptop and take out the battery, and then ground yourself to some metal surface. So to start, we'll go pry off the plastic bezel from the laptop. The laptop monitor is held in place by plastic clips around the bezel. So all you have to do is just use the plastic pry tool and open it up. And we'll start in the corner, and you simply just push down. You can use a screwdriver, or if you have sharp nails it can also work, but I use the plastic pry tool because it will cause less damage to the bezel itself. So all you have to do is just push down a little until you hear a click, and then you just go all around the laptop itself. Once you open up, you can use your fingers and just tear away the plastics. There will be adhesive on all sides, on all the edges of the laptop. So once you got that open, you just tear along the spot. Okay, so I loosened up all the sides, so it should look something like this. Your bezel frame should be loose. You can't really take this off because it's kind of locked in place here, but the place you want to look for is the two screws around in here and in here. That's where the monitor is held in place. An easier way to take the screws off is using the Phillips screwdriver and placing the laptop monitor on your lap. But for the sake of this video, I'll put it on the table. You have to bend it a little out. Try to not bend it too much, and bend it just enough so that your screwdriver can reach the screw itself. You'll also notice that the monitor panel is held in place by plastic clips up here. So you have to move the laptop down and then out. So an easier way to do this is put your fingers close to a third from the bottom up and try to locate the edges of the monitor panel and just try to pop it outwards. And then the monitor should slide, and try to slide the monitor downwards, and you should get it out like that. Next step is to remove the connector from the panel itself. So you want to lift this out. You'll notice the connectors on the bottom here, on the bottom left corner. It is also held in place by a little bit of adhesive. If you can just look right there, there's adhesive, let's see, right along here, and then there's a barcode sticker right here. What you want to do is just loosen this here. I'm just going to put down the camera. Just gently pull off the adhesive along the cable, and then from the barcode you just lift off the sticker from the monitor, not the cable. You want to tear away the just lift off so that the sticker is still connected to connector, and then you just gently pull the connector off and you should have the panel out. I'm just going to put this aside, and here's how the connector should look. The connector's here and the sticker still attached to the connector. Now you want to grab your new panel. I got this glossy version of the MSI GE40. I'm just simply going to put it in here and connect the connector first. You want to make sure to push it all the way in, because it can come loose and then you will get nothing on the monitor when you power it up. So you just want to double check that's tightly fitted. Just give a little push and then attach the barcode sticker back on, and just attach the adhesive on the cord itself onto the monitor, and then just gently place it in your laptop. And you can see how glossy it is. At this point, I recommend you to turn on your laptop so that you can check if the cord is connected properly. Okay, I got my power cord. Now I'm going to plug it in and start up the computer. You should see MSI logo upon boot up. If you don't see anything, it's likely that your computer, the connector is not connected properly, so you want to double check if it's connected tightly. Also, you might see some markings on your screen. That's likely due to the plastic covering on the monitor panel that I haven't removed yet. So what you want to do is just double check the screen resolution quickly, and it shows up 1080p on mine, so it's properly calibrated. Now I'm going to turn it off. And I'm going to unplug the monitor and then continue on with reinstalling the panel back on. Okay, to put the monitor back in place, you want to check that the cord is properly, it's out of the way. And then you want to put as low as you can and then slide the panel back into the plastic tabs. And then push the panel back. And then you want to check the screws are not blocked. The screw hole is not blocked by the connector on the lower bottom left. And then you just put these screws that you took out earlier back into place. So I'm going to put the screws back in place. It is a little tricky to do this like this, so you might want to put the panel on your lap like I said before. If you can't get it in, use a pair of tweezers and just position the screw into the screw hole before you try to tighten it on your lap. Got the screws back on. Now what you want to double check quickly before you tear off the plastic is double check again if the monitor is still in place. Like boot it up. If the MSI logo shows up, you're good. And then you just turn it off. Now you want to tear off the plastic covering on the monitor panel. And just put that aside. Now you want to put back all the clips and you just press it down. After that, that's how you replace the monitor on the MSI GE40 and enjoy your new monitor.